news. The central government has announced a 27% quota for OBCs and 10% reservation for the economically weaker section for the undergraduate and postgraduate medical and dental courses from the current academic year. The Prime Minister has called this a landmark decision.
Months ahead of key elections in several states, including the biggest one, Uttar Pradesh, the centre has announced a new set of quotas to be implemented. The Prime Minister described this as a landmark decision, saying this will immensely help thousands of our youth every year get better opportunities and create a new paradigm of social justice in our country.
The decision to go ahead with reservation was prompted by a court order, and the government was pushed to go ahead with this decision. Irrespective, all political parties cutting across party lines, including the opposition, say it will be difficult for them to oppose this political move, especially since they don't want to be seen upsetting the SCs, STs, OBCs and the economically weaker sections.
In fact, they were compelled to take decision by the orders of the court. They never yielded. They didn't want to give a reservation to backward classes, particularly in state surrendered seats. In fact, they have been dodging, I would use this word, they have been dodging, they have been denying, depriving the backward class students.
It is a historical milestone, it is a great achievement. It is a great victory for social justice. Central government should implement strictly from this academic year onwards. For the past 4 years, the OBCs have lost more than 11,200 seats in UG, PG, medical and dental seats.
The central government has provided for reservation in the All India Quota scheme for medical and dental courses in state-run institutions. There will be a 27% reservation for OBCs and a 10% reservation for economically weaker sections. The government says about 5,500 students will benefit. The 27% OBC quota will take the total quotas up to 49.5%. For the EWS quota of 10%, extra seats were added after a 2019 amendment. The centre has said that the total seats for the unreserved category will not reduce. In Lucknow, the political nerve centre for the 2022 state polls and even the 2024 national election, MBBS aspirants were divided over the move.
गरीब वालों के लिए तो ठीक है, मगर जो ओबीसी वालों के लिए लगा है वो तो फिर जनरल को इफेक्ट करेगा, क्योंकि अभी कॉलेजेस की सीट कम है इंडिया में मेडिकल को लेके, और जितनी डॉक्टरों की रिक्वायरमेंट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है एज पर द सीट।
और ये जो गवर्नमेंट द्वारा ये लॉ जारी किया गया है, ये हमारे लिए बेनिफिशियल होगा, क्योंकि इसके जरिए हमारे जो परसेंटेज ऑफ होंगे मेरिट के वो ज़्यादा इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे।
In 2020, the Supreme Court had dismissed a batch of petitions, including by the Tamil Nadu government, seeking 50% OBC quota in state-run medical colleges. The AIADMK-led Tamil Nadu government and the DMK, in power now, had both moved the top court after the centre had said it was not possible to extend 50% OBC reservation last year. With Sunil Prabhu, Arvind Gunashekhar and Sam Daniel, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.